If you know any Albanian at all, you must know all the standard words and phrases, but I have found that most students want to learn Albanian in order to speak with natives, not to become popular Albanian writers, although that would be pretty cool. This is why I love it when my students want me to specifically teach them geg or tosk or a particular sub-dialect of the two. That's what Albanians are speaking. Here are some day-to-day phrases that Albanians use, which you won't find in textbooks. Greetings. You've probably learned the standard greetings, përshëndetje, mirëmëngjes, apo mirëmbrëma. However, simple Albanian people don't always speak so formally. Sure, we do use these words from time to time, but here are some alternatives which we tend to use more often, especially among friends. Përshëndetje means greetings, literally, and as much it is quite formal. Even in English, we don't show up at our friend's house and address them with greetings. Instead, we just say hi or hello, and for that, in Albanian we use ç'kemi. Ç'kemi is a short form of çfarë kemi, what do we have, and it implies the questions what do we have new, or as you would say in English, what's up. Another phrase that we use is qa bëre. This translates to what did you do, in a literal way, implying what have you been up to. This is widely used. The dialectic form varies depending on the area where it is used. Thus in the north it is mostly used as qa bane, in central Albania qa bone, and in the south qa bëre. Other widely used greetings include si je or si kalove when passing someone on the street, and when encountering someone who's working, we say puna e mbar, to which the worker replies mbar paq. Mbar is an adjective meaning front or straight in the sense that something is headed frontward or on the straight path. It is used when something goes well, hence puna e mbar means may your work go well. We also use au lodhe, which means did you get tired, that is, from working, but it's not so commonly used. To say good morning in Albanian, instead of the generic mirëmëngjes, try to say just mëngjes. This is what most people say. However, if you really want to sound like a native, use si u gdhive for central and southern Albania and si ke nje for northern Albania. These phrases literally mean how have you donned? And for mirëmbrëma, a good substitute is si u ngryse, which means how have you dusked? When speaking informally to a friend, try instead of ja. Okay, that's very important. It's very commonly used. A ke kohë nesër? Remember, is only spoken, not written language. Instead of faleminderit, say rofsh, which literally means may you live, meaning may you live for a long time. When you are hungry, don't just say jam I uritur like some Google Translate robot. Instead say më hahet buk, which literally means bread is eaten to me, or to make it sound less ancient, I need to eat bread. Why bread? Because it's the #1 food in the Balkans, duh. Vdiqa për buk is also frequently used, and it means I'm dying for bread. If you want to say I'm busy, say kam shumë punë instead of jam shumë I zënë. Again, not to sound very robotic. And for home, use shtëpi instead of shtëpi. These are just some quick and short words and expressions to help you develop an Albanian brain and not just translate everything word for word in your mind before you speak. If this was helpful to you and would like to learn more, please hit the subscribe button, save the video to watch it later while studying, and stay tuned for more to come.